Today, let's make an operation video of an electric wrench. This is a portable power supply. We install it. This button can display its battery. Press the button above to turn it on. So now we're going to go into a interface. The buttons on both sides are add and subtract keys for the torque value. The maximum torque value of this wrench is 1,200 Nm. Now the wrench shows forward rotation. We press and hold the middle button for 3 seconds. We'll switch in reverse. Press the middle button again. Enter the settings interface. You can set some of its parameters. Then press the middle button to exit the settings interface. Find a sleeve with the same edge as the bolt. Place on the bolt to be pre-tightened. Then we adjust the torque value according to the set requirements. Let's say we're going to use 1000 cattle. To remove this bolt, we press and hold the middle button for 3 seconds. Change to reverse. Press this button again to turn it on. Now the sleeve is working. Until the bolt can be loosened. If you want to tighten, also press and hold the button in the middle for 3 seconds. Change to forward rotation, then adjust the torque required for tightening. We push the power button. Then until the nut is tightened. The wrench cannot be removed after tightening the bolts. We press the middle button again for 3 seconds. Make it reverse. Click the power button. Remove that force from it. You can easily take it off. After finishing the work, we press the shutdown button to shut down.